So, ito na yung dress na nabili ko. Oh. Ay, dahil pupunta tayo ngayon sa floating market. So, explore ko kayo doon. Ito na yung dala kong dress. Sinuot ko na agad. Siyempre, kailangan suotin.
You know where we're going?
Your floating market.
Floating, yeah.
Latmayom.
Okay. How far is it?
What's the name?
Latmayom Float Market.
Lang Maong. Lang
พาไปดิ
Floating market.
ตลาดน้ำอ่ะไป
Oh, we got them. Okay. End up, hindi kami nakapunta ng floating market kasi nga super layo. 1 hour and 30 minutes, Daddy, the floating market. So now, nandito tayo sa Grand Palace. Ayan, Grand Palace. So dito kami napadpad. Tsaka to, the City Fellar Shrine. So, ayan. Kaya dito tayo mag-i-stroll.
ทุก20 บาท Take to the pier 20 10 บาทพี่เบียร์ Take to the boat station
Wait, well, hold on. To go in there inside.
No.
It's closed.
Now we are here you know pier yeah you go on Grand Parade afternoon 1 hour ถ้า you go ใน right now Big Buddha วัดอรุณ Royal King Boat Floating Market only by boat 1 hour and then boat come back the parade ka inside.
May sasakay na naman kami dito sa sorry. Sa Toktok. Dito na yung floating boat na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Finally, nakuha na rin namin. But anyway, ito iba naman to. So sasakay tayo ng boat. Ay, wait lang, exciting to. Ay! Ang daming turista.
นี่คนไทยมาฮัลโหลไม่ใช่
So we're here. Why not? This is the first time. So we better try. Isang yan, marami kami kasama. Oh my God, I see the dick. Oh, we don't have.
You Buddha Thailand.
We don't have a cash.
Buddha Thailand you hello. An elephant.
Just elephant.
How much?
We have money.
Elephant.
We don't have money.
Elephant okay you Chang beer?
Beer.
And the Chang beer?
Beer.
Chang beer you. Okay beer? And the Chang beer?
I wanna wrap magnet. Okay, meron tayong 20 minutes para mag-picture-picture. Tapos mag-vlog-vlog. Tapos balik ulit tayo doon sa boat. Parang ano lang, binigyan kayo ng time ng 20 minutes. So let's go, take a pictures. Kailangan guys, nakapaka ka dito ha. Papasalan mo. God bless. Ayaw pumasok ni Scott, kaya ako lang yung pumasok. Tumingin lang naman ako. Parang kumbaga, kung gusto mong ceremony, yung traditional way nila, ganyan. Tapos kailangan nakapaa ka. Hindi pwedeng pumasok ng naka-sapatos. Kaya ayaw pumasok ni Scott. Kasi nga, ayaw niya magtanggal ng sapatos. Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda ng ano dito, no? Marami kayong maaanuhan, mapapasyanan. Napang turista talaga. Ito may mga flowers, diba? Fresh flower, orchids. Sabi nga ni Daddy mas maraming turista dito sa Bangkok. Nakabidyo.
Recording you, recording me.
Di ba turistang dating, no? Naka-GoPro pa yan. Ayun, malaki yung dito. So, ito yung famous na Buddha. Ayun. Thank you. Ayun. Diba? Ito yung maraming nagpipicture dito. Ayun, ang dami. Titingin tayo ng ref magnet. Nagpapabili yung kapatid ko. Yung sister ko. Nakapagpa-picture na, nakapag-video na. Ayan na silang lahat. Ayan, mga kasama namin sa book. Sugar with chili. Spicy. Maybe sugar and salt. Because I can taste the salty. I can taste sweet. And I can taste chili. Ah. Hello?